Okay, so I want to give you a quick tutorial that we are really excited to show you that eZ-XPO is fully integrated with Zoom.us, one of the leading video conferencing platforms out there. I want to just share with you, this is actually from Zoom recording. It's really simple. What you do is go to our platform. Once you sign in as exhibitor or organizer, then once you actually, we have to do a setting on the back end. We can help you to do that. Once you do that, you will select to go to the booth. So you go to the booth, and then you can go to conferences, and then you select the webcam, web conferencing. You can obviously select Zoom.us. That's how you actually set up. All right, so I just set up the conference already, or webinar already. So actually you can see that it's recording right now as we speak. So anyway, it's really simple. Now, what this will do is just make it easier for your clients or partners who actually happen to use Zoom.us can use their existing accounts and plug that into our Virtual Expo platform so that they can actually launch a webinar directly from the virtual booth. So let me just go back here to show you. So this is the actual booth. You can see that. All right. So it's really simple, I think. So anyway, so I hope you really get excited about this. They have about 750,000 customers. So I'm sure some of your customer or partners part of using Zoom.us, you can invite them to plug into our platform eZ-XPO and launch a virtual summit and Virtual Expo. So for more information, just come to our website and sign up for a free consultation. Thank you.